In this episode of Finance for 20s, I'll be sharing with you how I created 8 sources of income in my 20s. I'll share with you my journey and strategies to generate multiple streams of income. From affiliate revenue and investment to crypto trading and coaching, I have been able to discover various ways to make money while in my 20s. So watch along as I discuss how each source of income has evolved and the valuable lessons I've learned along the way. So whether you're looking to diversify your income or explore new opportunities, this episode of Finance for 20s will provide you with insight and inspiration to take control of your financial future. Now, I'm going to be arranging these sources of income according to when I started making money from each of them. But before I go on, if you are new to the channel, Finance for 20s is a series where I share personal finance lessons and tips that have helped me grow financially and how you can also apply them to become financially stable. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to the channel and please like this video. Thank you. So with that being said, let's get into the video. My first source of income is through affiliate revenue. Now in 2018, I started making money by signing up on apps and websites with high affiliate commissions, and I was referring people to these apps and websites to make money. Now, one of the apps I used a lot for this was PiggyVest. I made a lot of money referring people to PiggyVest and some other apps and websites. And I was doing this to make little cash for myself then. And I still make a lot of money from that today because I started my channel and I have a bigger audience now. So I'm able to make a lot of money from affiliate commissions. Now, if you want to do this, all you need to do is look out for apps or websites with high affiliate commissions and start by referring people to these apps and websites to make money. And you can even make more if you have a large online audience. My second source of income is through investments such as stocks, index funds, fractional real estate, and crypto. Now, this is one of my favorite sources of income because you don't have to do anything to make the money. All you just need to do is to put your money in an asset and the asset makes money for you when it goes up in value. Now, I started investing in 2018 and I was just investing in different assets on PiggyVest. I was investing in mutual funds on Carrywise and I was also investing in crypto on the Luno app. Now, I was doing just these 3 investments until 2020 when I discovered stocks. I was just searching on the internet on how to make money and I discovered that I could make money from stocks. Then I started investing in local and foreign stocks on the Trove investment app. And today, I now make money through dividends from my stocks and through capital gains. Now, before I invest my money in anything, I always make sure that I do extensive research. Now, I don't just invest my money in anything. And since 2020 to today, I've never put my money in any sort of Ponzi scheme or pyramid scheme because those things are likely to make you lose your money. So always do your research before you invest your money in anything and don't just go after huge returns because you might end up regretting it. Also, you need to know that you don't need a lot of money to start investing. When I started investing in crypto in 2018, I was only investing very little amount of money every week or every month. And when I also started investing in stocks in 2020, I started with little amounts of money too. But today, I have a lot of money in those 2 assets. So you don't need to wait till when you have millions to invest. You can start today. And if you need an investment app to start investing, you can check out my video on the top 5 investment apps. The link to that video will be in the description below. Now, my next source of income is crypto trading. Now, I got into crypto towards the end of 2018 as an investor. I was just buying and holding different cryptocurrencies in my wallet. Now, I was doing this until 2019 when I got the chance to learn crypto trading. And here is how I actually got to learn crypto trading. Now, on this particular day, I was in a classroom trying to read for a test that I was having the next day. And after reading, I decided to check my phone and I saw a post about a crypto trading class in my class WhatsApp group. And I immediately joined the class. The class was just for 5,000 naira and I paid and I joined the class. Now, this class was a 3-day class where we just taught the basics of crypto trading. And after the class, I started practicing the things I learned. But those lessons were not enough for me. So I decided to go on YouTube to watch crypto trading videos. And from there, I went to Udemy to buy different crypto trading courses. Now, I was doing this throughout 2019 to May of 2020. And I was able to dedicate more time and effort to it in 2020 because of the lockdown, because we were all at home and I was not in school. So I had a lot of free time. And throughout this time, I was just making profits and losses, but I was getting better each day. Then in May of 2020, I took a particular trade where I actually made 60,000 naira just from a single trade. And it was my biggest win at that time. And I was so happy. And I could remember I told myself that if I could make 60,000 naira from a single trade, that means I can make a lot more. Then I went to my CarryWise and withdrew almost all my savings. It was around, I think, 200K to 300K. And I deposited everything in my Binance account so as to have more capital and be able to make more profit. Though I wouldn't advise anyone to do that. And please, if your parents are not feeding you, please don't do that because it is very, very risky. So don't put all your life savings in crypto. So from then till the end of 2020, I was making around 50K to 100K per month from this. And then fast forward to June of 2021, I decided to take that bold step to go into futures trading. And though it wasn't an easy one at first, but I dedicated some time to learn it and master it well. And since June of 2021 till today, I've been doing only futures trading and nothing else when it comes to crypto trading, and I'm making good money from it now. And if you want to learn how to do futures trading on whether Binance or Bybit or KuCoin, I have videos on them. I'll put the links to these videos in the description below. My fourth source of income is through one-on-one coaching. So after I started my channel in 2020, I noticed that the views I was getting on my crypto videos were really growing. So I decided to start one-on-one coaching to teach crypto trading in February of 2021. And I was charging about $10 to $20 per week at that time. Yeah, I know that was too small. Now, I was doing this for about 4 months and I decided to stop it because I wasn't getting paid the worth of the value I was giving out. Now, in February of 2023, I decided to finally bring it back with so much value, and now I charge way more higher than what I was charging in 2021, and I've been really enjoying it because it makes me feel like a real teacher. So if you have a skill you can teach, or if you have a skill you can offer, one-on-one coaching or consultation can be another way to make money for yourself. Now, the next one is through membership group. Now, just like the one-on-one coaching, I started a crypto signal group in February 2021, and I was also charging $10 per month for this. And I did this for some months, and then I put the group on hold. And then in February of 2023, I decided to finally bring the signal group back with more benefits and more value. And the signal group really did well for about 8 months, and I just recently put the group on hold on September 1 because I've not been available to drop signals, but it's another way to make money. And for those of you who are interested in the signal group, don't worry, the signal group will be back very soon, so stay tuned. So in case you have some kind of value you can give out, you can create a membership group where people can pay you to join the group to learn from you. So this is another way you can make money for yourself. The next source of income is through brand or sponsorship deals. Now, a brand or sponsorship deal simply means a brand is paying you money to talk about their service or product to your audience. Now, after I started my channel in October 2020, I didn't have the intention of reaching out to brands for brand deals or for sponsorship deals. I was just focused on making videos. But after almost a year of making YouTube videos, a crypto brand reached out to me for a brand deal, and I was so happy because I didn't know that could happen. And after that first brand deal in August 2021, more brands started reaching out to me. And since 2021 till now, I've worked with a lot of notable finance brands and companies out there. Now, the next one is YouTube AdSense. Now, I started my YouTube channel in October 2020 because of two things. Firstly, because I was looking for more ways to make money. And secondly, because I was looking for something to get myself busy during the lockdown in 2020. So YouTube was the best option for me. And I decided to make my channel about personal finance. And this was because I already had the knowledge of personal finance. I already had knowledge of saving money, making money, investing money, and so on. Now, at first, I didn't want to make crypto content on my channel because I didn't want anyone on the internet to know that I was into crypto. So I didn't make any crypto video for like the first 2 or 3 months. Then one day, I finally decided to make my first crypto video, and a lot of people liked it and wanted more. So I decided to add crypto videos. And I've been creating crypto and personal finance videos since 2020 till date. Now, I wasn't making money on my channel for the first 11 months, and I got monetized in the 12th month of doing YouTube, and that was in October 2021. Now, making YouTube videos has now become something I love to do, mainly because of the impact I've been able to make in people's lives. Now, it's something that really motivates me because I never thought this channel could ever get to 50K subscribers this fast. But I'm actually grateful to every one of you who have been supporting my channel and who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you. Now, the last source of income is through my crypto trading course. Now, when I started my one-on-one coaching in February of 2021, I started to think of how to turn the coaching into a course so that whenever I'm not doing one-on-one coaching, I can still be making money from the course. Then I started planning the course from February 2021 to October 2021. That's 9 months. So it took me 9 months to plan the course, to record the course, edit and upload the course. And I finally launched the course in November of 2021. And since then to now, over 500 people have gotten the course. Now, if you've been on my channel for a long time, I'm sure you know that I always talk about having a digital product whenever I'm talking about ways to make money online. And this is because I know how profitable it can be. Because having a digital product for your business is a really great idea which everyone should consider to make money. Trust me. So these are the 8 sources of income I've been able to create for myself in my 20s. So in conclusion, creating multiple sources of income in your 20s can be a game changer for your financial future. From affiliate revenue and investment to crypto trading and coaching, I have shared my journey and strategies for generating income from various avenues. Now, one lesson I want you to take from this video is that it is important to start early so as to explore different opportunities to make money. So start exploring different money-making opportunities today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next episode of Finance for 20s. Bye.